This 2-bedroom, 2-bath home on a canal is all about the Florida lifestyle. Just blocks from the Peace River and Port Charlotte Beach, the backyard is where it's at with this dock, brick patio, and pool under lanai. The 2,000 square foot home feels spacious, opening up to a formal living and dining area. The heart of the home also includes a family room, which opens up to the kitchen and a breakfast nook. You'll be spending lots of mornings and afternoons in this huge Florida room, complete with living room, Murphy bed, and dinette. Both bedrooms have queen beds, one an ensuite bathroom. The pool area is newly constructed with these beautiful water views in mind. This home easily sleeps 6 adults.
So reserve today to enjoy all this house and Port Charlotte have to offer.